Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a report in Salesforce. All right. First up, let's go ahead and put reports right here under these tabs. All right. Let's click on the edit button. Now go ahead and click on add more items. Hit all. Then just look for report right here. Click on the plus sign and click on add one nav item. All right. Go ahead and hit on save and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see, we have the reports tab right here. Just click on it. All right. Now go ahead and click on new report. All right. Click on it. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to select the particular tab that you wanted to make a report in. All right. For example, cases right here. I'm going to click on it. Once it's highlighted, just go ahead and hit on continue. And the cases will be landed in here. Say, for example, I'm just going to add in accounts right here. I'm going to hit on continue. And here we have the list of our accounts. All right. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and edit this particular report. For example, here, the group rows, click on it and you should be able to see group rows by maybe a last activity, maybe account owner right here. And the column would be last modified right here. Columns, if you want to add some more columns, like for example, type right here. As you can see, it is now added. If you want to delete columns, go ahead and do so by clicking on the X button. All right. If you want to try to run it, just go ahead and do so from here. And here we have our report. Let's try to edit it some more. Right here under fields, as you can see here, there's a vertical field right here. Just click on it. And here are some other options. If you want to, you can go ahead and add in some chart if there are data that need some chart. Now, if you're done editing your report, just go ahead and click on save and run. All right, report's name. I'm just going to leave it as is. New accounts report right there. Report description, list of accounts, registered last week, maybe. All right. And a folder right here, private reports or public. If you want to share it, just go ahead and select the particular folder. All right. Hit on cancel and hit on save right here and wait for it to process. And it says here report, a new accounts report was saved. And here we have the preview. That's basically how you do it. All right. If you want to share it, just click on share right here. Copy the link and send it to the person who wanted to view your reports. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.